Once upon a time, beneath the shimmering azure waves of the Caribbean Sea, there existed a hidden realm known as Corallina, a magical underwater kingdom where mermaids of all personalities and features thrived. Among them were two remarkable sisters, Zara and Leela, each representing the vibrant spirit of Jamaica. Zara had hair as luxurious as the sun-kissed beaches above, a wild crown of natural afro curls that danced like the gentle waves. She adorned her curls with tiny shells and luminescent pearls, a tribute to the beauty of her ancestors. Leela, on the other hand, embraced the Rastafarian culture, her hair adorned with long, intricate dreadlocks that flowed like the currents of the sea, adorned with colorful beads that captured the essence of their vibrant homeland. One day, as they swam through the vibrant coral gardens, they discovered a treasure chest half buried in the sand. With a mix of curiosity and excitement, they unearthed it, revealing a collection of ancient artifacts, beads, fabrics, and a shimmering mirror that reflected not just their beauty but also their rich heritage. The mirror spoke, its voice echoing like a soft melody. To harness the true magic of your culture, you must combine your hair, your strengths, and your stories, it said. Intrigued, the sisters decided to weave their hair together, creating a magnificent braid that intertwined their styles, showcasing the unity of their identities. As they worked, a swirl of colorful energy enveloped them, creating a spectacle that lit up the ocean depths. Their bond not only celebrated their individuality but also represented the strength found in their differences. With each twist and turn of their combined hair, they felt the love of their ancestors guiding them, filling them with the essence of reggae rhythms and the wisdom of their roots. Suddenly, the waters around them began to shimmer with life, and a chorus of mermaids gathered to witness this extraordinary event. The sisters' braid transformed into a magical rope of strength, symbolizing unity among their people. It called forth mermaids from their underwater community, those with thin or fat ropes, vibrant colors, and unique textures, inviting them to join in a renaissance of cultural celebration. As they danced and sang together, the underwater kingdom shimmered with the rich tapestry of their heritage. The sound of drums echoed through the waves, blending with the melody of laughter and joy. Each mermaid, whether adorned with tight curls, flowing locks, or intricate styles, felt empowered and celebrated. From that day on, Corallina was known as the Kingdom of Unity, where the beauty of afro hair and rasta locks flourished together, reminding everyone that unity in your Caribbean community is the true essence of life. And in the heart of the Caribbean, the mermaids continued to weave their stories, teaching generations to embrace their roots and celebrate the magic of who they are.